How to see your favorites on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. And once you do that, you want to click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your phone. A pop-up menu list will appear from which you want to click on favorites at the bottom, and you will land on your favorites page of your Instagram account, where you will be able to find all of your favorites in one place. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find your favorites on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.